Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lun here. Yeah, I got Pokemon card pack, the Sinistea promo with it. Yeah, and then we got Paradox Rift. Let's open it up. Pulling out cards here. There we go. Got the code if you want. Let's see. Got fire type energy. Two blade. Alright, not bad. We got Surskit, I already have that. Got Magby. Got Flamigo. Got who's that? Chantal? Got Garbodor. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards left. Ignition, evolution. Okay. Alright, reverse hollow Purloin. Reverse hollow Jirachi. Add Bombardier EX. Not bad. Yeah. Got Bombardier EX. It's time? I'll cook later. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, we got Bombardier EX. But oh yeah, Pikachu coin. But I got a Mega one. Let's get it open. God. Fresh from Walmart. Fresh from Walmart. Pokemon card pack. Another Pikachu coin. We got Pineco promo, and then we got code card Paradox Rift, Roaring Moon. Last one was what, Quavel? Garchomp. Yeah, Garchomp. Now we have Roaring Moon, so yeah, let's open it. Just telling you guys, my favorite Pokemon is Scovillain, and I have a Scovillain card, but I really want that full art where Scovillain's the mascot of a restaurant, or Scovillain EX. Got code. And then let's do it. We got electric energy. Porygon 2. Okay. Got Nackley. Got Claymore and Tillery. My friends love this. Got oh, I love Golbat. Leech Life. How many cards we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. de-evolution. Whatever. Got Exploud. Okay. Got Mela, Team Star. 3 cards left. Here comes Panpour, Reverse Hollow. Got Full Art Gimme Ghoul. Full Art Gimme Ghoul. Ooh, Full Art Gimme Ghoul. Yeah, I've always wanted this card. Now we only need Volcanion. Not bad. Yeah, we got our 2 hits. Where's the EX? There it is. Got 2 hits here. 1 in each pack. Gotta say, worth it. Worth it. Sick. Worth it. Yeah, Bombardier EX, Full Art Gimme Ghoul. This is a good episode, you know. Got 2 Paradox Rift. Yeah. That's episode 9. See you in 5 years, because I probably won't get another Pokemon card pack in like 5 years. Yeah, bye.